The pheasant-tailed jacana is renowned for its elegant plumage and graceful posture, holding both significant aesthetic and scientific value. Its rare polyandrous mating system makes it exceptional among avian species. Ornithological studies reveal that polyandry is extremely uncommon in birds, with the jacana being a prime example. During breeding season from April to September, males develop striking nuptial plumage to attract females. Intriguingly, female jacanas aggressively compete for mating territories through physical confrontations. The dominant female claims the territory, after which males enter to court her. Post-mating, the female lays 3 to 4 eggs per clutch before pursuing new mates. A single female typically produces over 10 clutches per season, each incubated by different males.